Have a nice slowdown, just taking your time. You always see me looking around. These are the things that you must do as a driver and learn this behavior to really be safe. And a lot of beginning drivers just don't do this. So you'll get marked down your DMV test or road test if you're not scanning and being that defensive driver. We have some other warning signs coming up here. So I'm stopping behind the stop line, being consistent. Nice smooth stop. I look, I check. There's a car that just cut out to the left of me. And now we're coming up to a railroad track. It says left lane in. So if I'm in the left lane, that will end. If you're not paying attention, you'll get cut off. So we're coming up to a railroad track. You need to look left, right, and left. If you don't, you will get marked down. So I'm maintaining good speed. Warning sign telling us that the far left lane, the third lane to my left, ends. Chevron alignment signs are another warning that the lane merges into two. We have our regulatory sign saying the middle lane is for left turns only. It's not for driving down the middle. So I'm maintaining good speed. I'm scanning, I'm looking ahead. I always ask my students what color lights are, and that's a green light ahead. So let's review. I had a request to talk about signs, regulatory signs. They tell you what you can and cannot do. Warning signs give you a warning. Guide signs tell you where things are. If you found this of value, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more information on driver's education, subscribe to my channel, Driving with the Miles.